Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. Yesterday, guys, we were actually not around, so actually I just took a break. So now we're back, guys. We're back. So let's check what's really happening on the economic news. We are actually on Forex Factory. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So what do we see here on Forex Factory? We just have to understand that every time when we do the analysis, we also have to know if we have any economic news. So today I see that there is consumer confidence around 4 p.m. This one not really that important. Remember, it's Tuesday. So Wednesday we have manufacturing PMI, job openings, and whoa. Tomorrow we have interest rates. So this can be a very good thing. I see the market pushing to the upside. I see the market trying to recover. On Thursday we have unemployment claims, and on Friday is that week of NFP. Right? So let's see what's really happening. And another thing, guys, we have some very good news. We have some very great stuff going on. Remember, guys, you can still join our mentorship for actually $28. It's a 3-month mentorship. So here on the screen you can see we have our very nice service packs, but we started with our Black Friday, so this is not going to be, it's going to be actually limited for very few people. Actually, you can join our lifetime signal. You can see here it's $99, but you can actually join for, let me just do it like this. You can actually join for $19 limited. It's limited. Don't say I did not tell you. This is lifetime signal, so forget about the $99. Let me know if you're ready. You can scan this QR code to be part of the team. I will only take 20 people if you want to be part of the team. So let's go back on our analysis. I just wanted to update you on that. $19 lifetime VIP signal. So what's really happening on DXY? Without a doubt, here you can easily see that the market is actually on a very nice uptrend. The market is been pushing. You can see that previously the market was actually pushing to the lowest side. Let's change the color. You can see that the market is been actually pushing down previously. Now the market is actually on a very nice uptrend. And tomorrow we have Fed interest rates tomorrow. Don't forget about that. So that will actually push the market whether to go up or down. But before that, you should know that when we expect the news, or when we expect the high impact news, most likely the market won't move that much. So what I see here is we are still actually on an uptrend. Where we are, I can easily see that on top here we have this structure. It's sort of a resistance there, because we can see that the market is touching these areas and it's not breaking out of that. And what I see is the market is now pushing lower. I'm expecting it to come around this support area. Remember, tomorrow they might not increase the rates, and that will push the dollar to go a little bit lower, and that will be good for the likes of Nasdaq, because we're gonna buy actually. And you saw that actually last week, Thursday, Friday, there the market was a bit slower. I think the market is actually waiting for this NFP and interest rate. So I'm expecting the market to go towards the support. Yes, the dollar is still very strong, but later on maybe we'll still see the market push into the upside, or maybe the breakout will happen. So this is a dollar index, which means, yeah, the dollar is quite stronger. So let's push to the next one, which is actually GBP/JPY. On GBP/JPY, I think it's time of it's where we actually going to look for those sell positions. Remember, we are still actually on a downtrend. The market is still respecting our downtrend. We have a very nice structure here, and once the market reaches this area of resistance, we will be looking for a sell position, or maybe the market will break out. But if the market does that, we will have to mark this area. Do you see that area? It's our potential resistance. So the market can come around that and maybe respect that. It's also possible. It's also possible. If not, we will wait for the market to go above that, and we will say maybe the market is changing the trend. Sorry, maybe the market is changing the trend, but for now I still see the market on this downtrend. We'll just have to wait and see, right? And we don't actually have much on GBP economic news, so which means the market will just be play very, very slow. So what I see here is we are actually on GBP USD. What's really happening? The market is still actually on this downtrend, or we can't do much here. You can see the market is actually consolidating on this wedge. The market is still consolidating, you can see that. So we have nothing actually. We are still actually on a downtrend, but we can't do much. So we're just waiting for a breakout, whether on the lower side or breaking this support, or maybe the market will break this resistance. Then we can say, okay, it's time for us to do what? To go to the upside. So for now, I don't know where the market is going to break, whether the resistance or the support, but we just have to wait. We just have to wait and relax and see what is going to happen. So let's push to the next one, which is actually Euro USD. Guys, I hope you are doing great. I hope you are doing great. What's really happening? We can easily see that the market is actually downtrending, still on this downtrend. We've drawn this downtrend for quite some time now, and now if you can check there, the market is going towards our resistance area, which is going to actually give us a very nice sell position if the market respects that. So we're going to have that actually in the group. Or maybe the market might give us some sort of a fake breakout around that area. But I think the market, if it breaks this diagonal resistance, we have to also check this area. There is enough chance that the market can still respect that. If not, maybe we'll see the market trying to push to the upside. I hope you see what I'm trying to show you there. So let's push to the next one. I'm trying to be as fast as possible. Now we are actually on on gold. Gold spot actually, so it's still pushing to the upside. What I see here is I think we're gonna see a continuation of this bullish momentum for quite some time now, especially when we still have this geopolitical news, because remember gold is actually safe haven also when we have this geopolitical. So people, they will actually buy gold when they see that there is chaos all over the place. Then they have to, mostly they will buy gold. And if things are good, they might sell gold and buy something like $1, something like that, you see. Or they can also buy stocks. So when things are not performing very well, you will most likely see gold trying to push to the upside. That's what mostly happen in the market. So now you can easily see that yes, the market was going down. Guess what? The market broke out of that. Now I see this pushing up. So I think where we are now, I can say maybe the market is actually trying to retest the structure here. I think the market is trying to retest. And this retest can be a very nice one because we are actually looking for a very nice buy. I've been looking for a buy and the market has been actually retracing. So, but now I think maybe the market will be trying to push to the upside. So something like that can actually give us something very nice. Patient is everything, guys. Be patient. Sometimes you just need to wait for the market to confirm, and that it's also going to pay you because you don't just jump early or late actually in the market. So now we are actually on US30. What's really happening on US30? Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. For those who wants to join the team, you can scan this QR code and you can just WhatsApp me. Remember, we have this plans here. You can see the signals cover Nasdaq, US30, S&P 500, gold, all those things. But since we have we started early with our Black Friday special, which is going to be limited for few people, let me know. Actually, we're going to charge that for only $19 lifetime. You pay once, then you're done. More than 12 months, you just enjoy unlimited service. For those who wants to join our mentorship, it is still $28 So let me know if you want to be part of the team. So actually this is limited. Don't say I did not really tell you. So now what's really happening actually on US30, the market is still actually on that downtrend, but it seems like the market will be trying to push the upside, but slower. And sometimes it's very risky just to go and enter because the market will reverse very quick, but we don't really have any choice. I think whatever that we're going to do here is actually going to be a hit and run. Where we are now, it was a previous support. So I think if it breaks here, we can have a hit and run buying the market. I think we're going to see a very nice buy. Remember, tomorrow we're going to have FOMC or Fed interest rates. So that might, if they don't really increase, I think that we might see the market push into the upside. But what matters is around, let's say, after 30 minutes after they release the interest rates, they're going to have like a discussion or a meeting or conference, and from there we're going to understand what will happen next. Are they going to cut the rates, or are they going to increase or something? And that it's something that is going to push the market, whether to continue pushing lower or maybe to actually to push the upside. And just know that it's not going to be easier for us just to trade before high impact news. So many things happens before that, and that can push the market to go up and down, and it's gonna be way too easier for anyone to lose. So I think it's much better to wait for the result, and from there we can trade very nicely. And yeah, I think it's much better to wait for the result. But just because now we're doing the analysis, I think the market actually might start to push the upside. We have our resistance there, downtrend resistance inside the trend. I think we can have actually a quick buy or hit and run before. We can have actually a hit and run here. Then yeah, we can get out anywhere. The reason behind that is the market is actually still on this downtrend. So we don't really just have to be way too comfortable buying this, because the market can still reverse very quick. And I hope you understand that. So let's push to the next one, which is actually Nasdaq. Nasdaq is also struggling to push. Actually, you can see that actually the market has been playing around this area, and yeah, I think I can say maybe the market reached our lowest level here. You can see that. We have this area, we have this point. To me, they make sense. And I think with this, we can say we can have maybe a nice recovery going to the upside. Not forgetting that, yes, we are still on a downtrend, but we can have an aggressive buy before maybe the market continues selling again. But remember, the market can easily push lower as we are actually on a downtrend, which means if we're going to take a buy on this downtrend, let's make it a hit and run. You get in and you get out as quick as possible, as long as you made something. But if you want to hold, if you have that confidence that maybe the market will push up like that, that's also good. You can do that. You can still make money on that, but not every time, because the market can reverse anytime, because downward momentum is actually aggressive. It's very, very strong. So we might start to see the market breaking, because we also had an area. We also had an area of a support around that area. We saw the market breaking that. Even here, we might have the same thing and say, oh, maybe the market wants to push up, but the market can still break that. Way too possible, right? So anyways, thank you very much. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. If you want to be part of the team, just know that we actually have a very nice price for you, which is actually $19. And yes, so that maybe might be good for someone else. And yeah, let me know. This is the QR code that you can scan to be part of the team, and then talk to me there. We allow cryptos payment, USDT, we allow PayPal, we allow Skrill. If you are locally local banks, they are also accepted. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.